What's up, guys? Jesse Navarro, Vintage Clash, and today we have a little surprise for us. As you can see behind me right here, we have the Deadpool mobile, and we're going to talk today about my brand new sponsor, Luxus Mats. That's right, we got a little treat in the mail right here, and I haven't opened it yet. We're going to open it up here. We're going to install them. We're going to do a before and after, and we're going to change the whole look of the inside of this ride. And you're coming along with me. Let's go. But first, we're gonna have to vacuum this thing out. It is much to be desired. Now look, before you say anything, I know, but listen, I'm a dad, a husband, and this is my everyday driver, all right? So there's gonna be some crumbs, there's gonna be some lollipops. Just go with the flow here. I'm not gonna use anything sharp because I don't want to cut the mats, but I may have to because, oh, there we go. It smells fresh. All right, so we have, so this looks like the back seat area. Right off the bat, they feel actually pretty quality, honestly. This is driver and passenger side in here. They're thick. The bottom has a pretty solid grip. It has these clips right here, so it can get into the little, underneath the plastic area. It has the Luxus branding right here. We'll peel that off at the end. Passenger side. I went black diamond stitch with red. These are thick. These are actually pretty thick. It's kind of nervous, a little bit, because you don't. I've seen them on some other cars, but obviously I'm not like pulling them out of other people's cars. Install looks like it's not going to be too crazy, but we'll find out as we do that now. That's it. I think it only took me 15 minutes. So those clips come in handy. They slide underneath the plastic. I'm out of breath because I'm fat. Let's take some beauty shots, huh? So we're gonna find out together if my camera's broken. Just knock that down. All right, so I only got 2 minutes left. 2% battery left. Kind of impromptu, but mats feel great. I got this anti-slip here, which I really like. My heel feels good on that. It doesn't get in the way of the gas pedal. So here I am driving it. No issues. And it just looks good. Here's the passenger side. All right, guys, so my rating on the Luxus mats is gonna be 100%, 10 out of 10. Way better than anticipated. Next, we're gonna have to work on seats, but I think I have something in store for that. We're working on that one right now, but thanks for sticking along with the video this long. Thanks for checking them out, and we'll see you next time.